Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click at these three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the available options. Now when I click Home button, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!